Hello, welcome back. I am Neha from Vaidehivines. If you're watching for the first time, I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, tutorials, dance, singing. Like on my channel, you get everything you want to see. So today's video is very interesting because it is about makeup, and I'm gonna do this look which you guys have asked me so many times. So on your request, I am recreating my own look. So stay tuned and please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I have, I'm done with the base. I did base off camera already. So I'm going to just focus on my eye makeup, and I really hope that you like the tutorial as you have liked the photographs. So I really hope that you like the tutorial, so please keep on watching. The palette I'm using for creating this look is the Makeup Revolution, and this is Pro Look palette, and these are all the beautiful colors. So this makeup was very difficult for me to create as it needs a lot of focus, a lot of concentration. I really hope that you'll try this look, and if you try this, please don't forget to tag me. I really want to see guys कि आपने कैसा perform किया या आपने कैसा try किया. For the concealer to cut crease, I used this ColourPop's Dope Filter concealer. This is the No Filter concealer. I don't know why camera is not focusing. And for the white line, I used Makeup Revolution's Pro Supreme Dip Liner. That's the Revolution one. And for my brushes, I have very common brushes. I'm gonna list it down bar or right, with the video. So I use this pink and orange color for the outer area. Then I use the dark shade, the green. I mix green and blue on the on my crease. Then I did a cut crease and applied a good glitter, and the glitter is from the ColourPop's birthday collection. I use this color for the cut crease over, like on the cut crease. Then that's a white line. So yeah, this is the birthday collection by ColourPop. Then white line. This is the blue color if you can see. Then it's an orange color. I'm gonna take this Palatte AE24 brush. I'm waiting for winters to come. Okay, let's start. So I'm taking this orange and this light pink shade, and I'm just touching it. So I'm slowly and gently blending the color on its own pace. Neither I'm going, blending upward on the upward stroke, nor I'm going inward. So repeating on the other eye as well. Also, I will be doing a voiceover throughout the video. And I'm taking the light and the dark green color both together with a pencil brush. A smaller pencil brush is basically a smaller brush than a blending brush, and I will just touch the color and slowly start blending in the inward stroke, and just near my crease to give it a depth. So like every makeup artist has its own techniques to do makeup. So what I prefer doing is कि मैं पहले जो भी color होता है उसको एक जगह place करती हूँ ताकि मुझे एक point मिल जाए, and then I start blending. So this is my key blending technique which you guys can also try. अगर कुछ भी help होता है आपको ये चीज़ तो please let me know in the comment section guys. I always look forward for your comments. So this is how I'm blending it. Then I'll take this blue color, so just to give a good variation, I'm mixing the blue and purple. जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो में देखा, I'm mixing two colors at a time. The reason I'm doing this because I'm saving my time building the colors. Then I took a bit of pink color because I didn't want it कि जो मेरा first base color है, which is pink and orange, वो crease में mix हो जाए, crease के color में mix हो जाए. I wanted कि pink भी उतना ही highlight हो जितना कि मेरा rest of the colors. So that's why मैंने pink को थोड़ा और highlight करने के लिए I applied the pink again. I hope guys I'm very clear to you, because I really want you guys to learn makeup. Guys, YouTube is such a great and big platform जहाँ पे आप free में सीख सकते हो, and I feel so proud and I feel so blessed that मुझे आपको सिखाने का मौका मिल रहा है. So take the fullest advantage, if take the best possible advantage. That's it. Now it's the showtime. Concealer, cut crease. I'm taking this flat brush. This is by Shein. You can take any damn flat brush. Need to be very focused. And this is how slightly I'm drawing a cut crease. You need to be very careful, extra cautious, very precise, all those words. And just remember one thing while you're doing cut crease, don't blink your eyes much and go very slow. I'm making a wing from this cut crease, and then I'll fill this the shimmery color from the birthday collection by Colourpop. Taking the same brush and just dipping the brush into my color and putting it over the cut crease. You can take any color, but try to take a very light shade because the eyes are already popped up. So I'm just placing it. I feel that ये जो colors होते हैं, जितने भी glitter colors या glitter based colors होते हैं, they're best applied with the fingers. So probably I'll do the same. Now it's the main showstopper is the white liner, and I'm taking this white liner by Makeup Revolution, yes, and I purchased it through hookmakeup.com. So yes, I am really zooming in so that you can see very clearly. I actually I holded my breath while I was drawing this line because it needs more and more focus. Because एक बार कुछ भी थोड़ा भी खराब हो गया, अब दोबारा you have to redo your eye makeup again. Don't blink too much. Just just stay calm and composed while drawing a line.
So for my lower eyes, I'm taking a light pink color and I'm mixing it with the purple to get a better, eye makeup look. So guys, always remember, अगर आपने नीचे color नहीं लगाया है, so your eye makeup is incomplete. So always prefer applying some colors, adding some colors, beneath your eye. So I prefer beige color coal over the white liner because I don't want to look old. So that's why I prefer the beige eyeliner, liner. Sorry.
So I'm done with this look. I really hope that you like this tutorial and you will try this. I made it simple for you guys. Please subscribe if you like this video and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your love, guys. I really love you guys so much and I don't have words to thank you, so just thank you so much for being there for me, loving me, supporting me all throughout my journey. Thank you so much. And yes, we are very close to 1K subscribers, so please subscribe, guys, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Mwah!